Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to talk to you about gold hitting $3,500 an ounce. And we wanted to talk to you about the warning signal that we feel everyone is ignoring. To give you the context, gold just smashed $3,500 an ounce. And while everyone is celebrating another everything is awesome day in the stock market, there is something really important happening that most people are completely missing. At the onset, let me start by saying that gold does seem boring. It doesn't pay dividends, it doesn't grow earnings, it just sits there being shiny. But here's the thing, gold is basically the market smoke detector, and right now, it's going off like crazy. Since early 2023, gold has gone from around $2,000 an ounce to over $3,500 an ounce. There's a 75% increase while most people weren't even paying attention. So what's the real story out here? There are three big things that deserve consideration. First and foremost, the dollar is in trouble. Secondly, the debt situation is pretty scary. And thirdly, central banks around the world are buying gold like it's going out of style. So why does all this matter? What makes this rally different from the previous gold spikes? It is that when the gold goes up, the companies that mine gold get left behind because investors think that this is temporary. But this time around, gold mining stocks are finally catching up. This means that smart money thinks that these high prices are here to stay. Also, the people buying gold now aren't the typical buy low, sell high crowd. They are what analysts are calling conviction buyers. The ETFs, the central banks, institutions that buy regardless of the price because they're hedging against something bigger. So what's the bottom line out here? When an asset that's been around for thousands of years suddenly jumps 75% while everything else seems fine, it's worth asking, what do they know that we do not? And the stock market might be partying like it's 1999, but the gold is preparing for something very different. And historically, gold tends to be right about these things. As we wrap up this brief video, let us know as to what do you think. Are we missing something big, or is gold just having its moment? That's all that we wanted to share with you in this brief video. Do stay tuned in for the next one. Thank you.